Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Etsy shop permanently. So let's get right into it. Now I have two methods that I'm going to be showing you here. I have one method which requires the shop manager, which I can't access because I cannot fully create it due to not having the needed information, and I don't want to create a fraudulent account, which will then lead to a breach of the terms of service and me being banned. So I'll just show you that part through a guide that I have found, and I'll show you how you can do the second method through the app myself. So let's get this one out of the way. So this is on how you can close your Etsy shop on Business Insider, and it's actually very easy. You just need to log into your account, go into the shop manager in the top right of your screen. In this case, it is here. It looks like this sort of shop stand, and then once you're there, you're going to need to go into the settings in the bottom left, then go into options. And once you're there, just go into close shop. Once you're there, select the reason. You can add a description if you want to. It's not mandatory. Check off that they can contact you at your email, and then close shop. And that's pretty much it. Now, the other version is on Etsy. Just go into your account, go into account settings, scroll all the way down until you see close your account. And here you're going to need to go to permanently delete your account. Go into your privacy settings and click request deletion of your data right over here. And then once you click that, you can request the full deletion of your data. And once they delete it, that's pretty much it. And your account as well as your shop will be gone from Etsy. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.